Hi, hello everyone. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you where to find the free video footage which you can use in your video project. The first one here is Pexels Video. When you go to this website, you can browse the video on this website. So you can see here some of the popular videos that has been downloaded recently. And these are some of the categories of popular search or the type of videos that very popular that people are searching. And these are some of the new videos uploaded to Pexels website. So you can see here the license. If you click the license here, it says Pexels Video offers completely free videos, and all videos are licensed under Creative Commons CC0 license. This simply means that all the videos on Pexels website are actually Creative Commons and also public domain, which means that you can use for personal use and even for commercial project. And this is some introduction about Pexels Video. You can go through the video here, but I will skip that. You can come to this website and watch the introductory video about Pexels Video website. Just go back to the main website here, and you can actually browse all the pictures here, or you can also search any specific video that you want to find. Let's say we just find one video here, close-up video of fire, and it shows here there's a 20-second footage. And if you click that, and you can see some information here. So CC0 license, it means that you can use for free for personal and commercial use as well. And there is no attribution required, although the good practice is to give attribution to the video that we use in our video project. And the source of this video is from Pixabay. This is actually a 4K resolution, very high resolution video. And we can click free download here. And you can play the video. And you can also download the video, and it's downloading on my computer now. And I can save it in my computer and I can use it when I want. So that's how very simple way to find a clip on Pexels Video. And you can continue to find any video footage that you like or that is relevant for your project. Or maybe you can simply find, let's say I want to find a video related to computer here. So this very quickly will give me all the video footage that is related to my keyword, in this case computer. Then I can just find the one that is relevant for my project, and I can download the footage to my computer. So that is Pexels Video. The next one is Pixabay. Pixabay is actually one of my favorite websites to find a free image. Currently there's over 1.3 million images, but there are also videos. So you can actually filter your search to specifically for videos. So if I click video here, and let's say I want to find a video again, let's say in this case I use the same keyword here, computer, and here you can find the video footage related to computer. And let's say this one, I click this one, and again this CC0 Creative Commons, which means that you can use free even for commercial use and no attribution required. And these are some of the information. The resolution is 920 by 1080, which means that this is actually high definition or HD video, which is very good if you want to use for your project. And then again, you can download, and here you can choose the resolution of the video. Usually I will go for at least 2080 by 720 or even higher, because it's very good for full screen. When you play the video in full screen, it looks very sharp because of the high resolution. Then, but of course, keep in mind that the higher is the resolution, the bigger is the size of the file. So that is Pixabay. Another one is also very good source of video footage. This is Vivedo. And here you can actually see the videos has been classified into different categories here: animals, food and drink, industry, medical, musical, nature, people, production, space, sport, and so on. And you can also browse if you like. So these are all the footage, and you can click more popular videos and browse the videos, or you can simply go to any of the categories here, and when you choose the category, it will show all the video clips related to that particular category. For example, nature here. I love the video clips of nature. So let's say I want to download this video. For example, I just click this video, and you can see all the information here. The author is Mark Schellenberg here, and the license is Vivedo standard license. If you want to know what is details Vivedo standard license, we just go to FAQ here, and you can find the information about Vivedo license. Basically, you can use for free, and you can use the license for commercial purposes in your video project. So these are information about the video. The resolution is 1920 by 1080. Again, it's a HD video. The file size, the format MP4, aspect ratio 16:9, and the frame rate and the duration is 20 seconds. And this information are all very useful. And if you want to download, basically you just click free download and it will start to download to your computer. That's how easy it is to use Vivedo to find the clips for your video project. The next website where you can find good video footage is Cover. Again, it's the same thing, and you can find the detail of license here, but basically you can use all videos on this website for free. So for example, let's say you can go to any video that you like. Let's say this one, and you can see the video is playing. And okay, if you like this video, then you can start to download, and it will download again without any hassle to your computer. Mazwai. And Mazwai is a very simple website. When you come to this website, there's a landing page actually, and it doesn't actually categorize the video, so you have to just go through the video, and if you find one that you think you like, for example this one, you just click the video, and the video is playing, and then you can just download the video. And these are some of the information of the video. The license, attribution license 3.0, which again means that you can use for free and also for commercial use. And then you can click download, and it will download to your computer. Very straightforward, very easy process to download the video clip. And last but not least, Vidalry. And this particular website is actually where you can find free animated video. So for example, you can see here, there are not many in this collection, but the one that they have sometimes are probably relevant for your work. So for example here, if you click this video, you can see, okay, say this is an animation. And if you think this animation is suitable for your project, then you can download to your computer. So these are some of the websites where you can find video clips or video footage for your project. And for most purposes, I actually can find and use some of the video clips from this website in my video project.